So hello my dear students, today in this class we have to discuss about how we have to solve the exercise number 2.1. Okay, this is first question here. Using appropriate properties, find this solution. Okay, see here first one. Solution. See here first observe this all solution. Minus 2 divided by 3 into 3 divided by 5 plus 5 divided by 2 plus 3 divided by 5 into 1 divided by 6. Okay, so first you just imagine this is one complete term and this is one complete term. Okay, because in between sign is multiplication. Okay, so first by using the associative property, first we have to rearrange this equation. Okay, how it is here. So minus 2 divided by 3 into 3 divided by 5. Okay, and next this term right by side of this term. Okay, so minus as it is 3 divided by 5 into 1 divided by 6. Okay, and remaining term 5 divided by 2 right as it is plus 5 divided by 2. Okay, now here by associative property, okay, by associative property, what is the associative property? See here. Now minus 2 divided by 3 into 3 divided by 5 minus 3 divided by 5 into 1 divided by 6. Okay, in between these two terms, which number is common? See here, 3 divided by 5 is a common. So take 3 divided by 5. Okay, take 3 divided by 5 as a common. Now we have to write the remaining numbers in the bracket. Okay, now take 3 divided by 5, take as a common. So remaining term is in that. Okay, in that number minus 2 divided by 3. So take here minus 2 divided by 3. Is it right? So next, see here. So 3 divided by 5, take as a common. So remaining term is 1 divided by 6. So take minus sign first and 1 divided by 6. Okay, bracket complete. The remaining term right as it is plus 5 divided by 2. By using associative property, first we should have to simplify bracket. Is it right? Do you remember? In last class I will explain how to solve the numbers or simplify the equation by using associative property. Is it right? So by using associative property, first you should have to solve this bracket. So see here, 3 divided by 5 right as it is, and now we have to solve this bracket. Okay, so in the bracket the LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Then 3 2s are 6. So into 2, 6 1s are 6. So into 1. 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. So 2 2s are 4. Okay, 4. Then which sign you have to write here? Minus into plus. Minus into plus minus. The next 1 1s are 1. Then which sign right here? Minus into plus minus. Bracket complete plus 5 divided by 2. Now see here, 3 divided by 5 right as it is. Okay, and 3 divided by 5 in the bracket, which means denote multiplication. Is it right? So take multiply. Next minus 4 minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. So minus 5 divided by 6 plus 5 divided by 2. Okay, this is by using which property? Distributive property. Okay, distributive property. By using distributive property, now first we should have to multiply these two terms. Okay, after that we have to addition or subtraction. First you should have to multiply. So now multiply here, 3 into minus 5 minus 15 divided by 5 into 6 means 5 6 are 30. Okay, plus 5 divided by 2. So 15 ones are 15 and 15 twos are 30. Is it right? So is equals to minus 1 divided by 2 plus 5 divided by 2. Is equals to, the LCM of 2 is 2 and minus 1 plus 5 is equals to, so 5 minus 1, 4 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So your answer is 2. Is it right? Your answer is 2 by using which property? Associative property and distributive property. Next, see here, the second example. It is also similar to first one. See here. So 2 divided by 5 into minus 3 divided by 7. Minus 1 divided by 6 into 3 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 14 into 2 divided by 5. Is it right? So now see here, solution. 2 ones are 2 and 2 sevens are 14. You can write? Yes. So 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. Next we have to write here 2 divided by 5 into minus 3 divided by 7. Okay, this is one term, means into. Okay, this is one term. Next term is minus 1 divided by 6 into 3 divided by 2 plus, this is one term and this is one term. And next 1 divided by 7 into 1 divided by 5. This is one term. Okay, it have total 3 terms. Now we have to observe these all terms and have to find the common term in between them. Okay. Next, now we have to find the common number. Okay. See here, which is the common number here? 2 divided by 5. 2 divided by 5. Okay. So according to this, we have to first write here 2 divided by 5. Okay. 2 divided by 5 into, this is one term and this is second term and this is third term. So that's why first 2 divided by 5 into minus 3 divided by 7 plus 1 divided by 14 into 2 divided by 5. Okay, after that we have to write here 1 divided by 6 into 3 divided by 2. Right? Now see here, take 2 divided by 5 as a common. So 2 divided by 5 take as a common. Write in the bracket, the remaining term is minus 3 divided by 7 plus 1 divided by 14. Bracket complete. Is it right? Next, see here. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Is it right? Next, minus 1. It is minus 1 and into 1. So minus 1 into 1. Minus 1. Is it right? So minus. Here minus. Take first minus and 1 divided by 2. Right? So 1 ones are 1 and 2 twos are 4. Okay, so 2 is wrong. So 2 twos are 4. We have to write here minus 1 divided by 4. Next, see here. So now by using which property here? Associativity properties, right? Associative property. Right? Associative property. Next, so 2 divided by 5. Now we have to simplify bracket first. So simplify 7 and 14. The LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. Next, 7 twos are 14. So into 2 and 14 ones are 14. So into 1. So 3 twos are 6. Here minus 6. Plus 1 ones are 1. Bracket complete, minus 1 divided by 4. So right. Next, 2 divided by 5. Here bracket, which means here take multiplication. Minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 into 40. So 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Then 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Then 1 into 40, 40. So right. Next, minus 1 divided by 4 take as it is. Here 2 ones are 2 and 2 sevens are 40. So right. Next, minus 1 divided by 7 and minus 1 divided by 4 is equals to, now what is the LCM of 7 and 4? 28. Is right. 28. Next, 7 4s are 28. So into 4, then 4 7s are 28. So into 7. And minus 1 into 4. Minus 4. Then minus 1 into 7. Minus 7 is equals to minus 4 minus 7 is minus 11. And denominator write as it is. And minus 11 divided by 28, this is your answer. Okay, so you understood. I hope you all understood how to solve these examples by using the appropriate properties. Okay, here we have to use which property? Distributive properties, right? So you have to write here distributive property. Okay. Distributive property. So please note down this and we shall start here. Okay, in the next class we have to solve the next question, question number 2 in the same exercise, exercise number 2.1. Okay, thank you.